এবারে আমাদের সম্মাননা প্রদান পর্ব। Now it's our award giving ceremony. Now the ICRA president, our beloved Sheikh Ahmed bin Yusuf Azhari, will hand over the crest to Mr. Adel Al Muslehi Ismail, chairman of Port Said International Holy Quran Competition, Egypt. Marhaba. Now, the ICRA president, our beloved Sheikh Ahmed bin Yusuf Azhari, will hand over the crest to Mr. Ejaz Ahmed, DIG, Bangladesh Police. Our beloved Sheikh Ahmed bin Yusuf Azhari, the president of ICRA, will hand over the crest to the Tawheedul Anwar, director, Islamic Foundation, Bangladesh. আমরা যাদের সহযোগিতায়, যাদের আন্তরিক চেষ্টায় এত বড় একটি আয়োজন আমরা সম্পন্ন করতে পারছি, তাদের প্রতি তো আমাদের কৃতজ্ঞতা প্রকাশ করতেই হয়। Now, the Qari Hamid Raja Ahmadi Wafa from Iran is going to receive his crest from Mr. Ejaz Ahmed, DIG, Bangladesh Police. MashaAllah. Marhaba. Now, Sheikh Yasir Sharkawi from Egypt is going to receive his crest from Mr. Saeed Mir Mohammadi, Cultural Counselor for the Embassy of Islamic Republic of Iran in Bangladesh. Mr. Saeed Mir Mohammadi, Cultural Counselor for the Embassy of Islamic Republic of Bangladesh, Iran, has handed over the crest to Mr. Sheikh Yasir Sharkawi from Egypt. Now, Dr. Kochar Omar Ali from Kurdistan of Iraq is going to receive his crest from Mr. Jawad Ashkari, First Secretary for the Embassy of Islamic Republic of Iran in Bangladesh. Dr. Kochar Omar Ali received his crest. Now, Qari Hamad Anwar Nafisi from Pakistan is going to receive his crest from Sheikh Ahmed bin Yusuf Azhari. Dear, last but not the least, Qari Ilyas Al Mihawi from Morocco is going to receive his crest from Mr. Tawheedul Anwar, Director, Islamic Foundation, Bangladesh. প্রিয় উপস্থিতি, এবারে একটি গ্রুপ ফটো সেশন আপনাদের সদয় সম্মতি চাচ্ছি। Now I would like to request the dignitaries and guests of honor to come forward from a group photo session. সকল অতিথি এবং কারিদেরকে অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ। প্রিয় উপস্থিতি, আপনাদেরকেও ধন্যবাদ এই মূল্যবান সময় প্রদানের জন্য।